Hi, this is TeddyTube, and I am reviewing the two sweet rowboat, and I'm gonna show you what it can do a little bit. So there's a little secret hide thing right here. I'll show you. You can keep food in there, and then you can shut it. And this is where they can sit in their little umbrellas. And this can, I'm trying to pop it off. This thing can pop off. See? It pops off and there's another one on there. But the other one I don't think you can take it off. I'm gonna put it back on there. Oh, it fell. So, and I put it right here. And then they can just row along they have two paddles. Oh, this guy's gonna fall. And they can row along. And they have their little two rows on the rowboat. And the detail looks pretty with the little wings on the back there. And then they have, oh, they keep falling. I wish they had something grip to keep it on there. So, I like the little umbrellas on the back. And I like the little backgrounds. You can put it inside the background. And then I'll zoom a little closer to you. The background. And they're sitting in there, rowing the boat. So, did you like how my details were? And I have, these are the two paddle sets. And they look like two paddles put together. They are sticking. And then, they have, the little connect thing right here. So do you, like this video and leave a comment or just, give a thumbs up. So, bye!